Hey guys, AI-assisted coding is now called vibe coding. Andrej Karpathy coined this term in February 2025 with this post on X. There's a new kind of coding I call vibe coding, where you fully give in to the vibes, embrace exponentials, and forget that the code even exists. It's possible because the LLMs, for example, Cursor, Composer with Sonnet, are getting too good. Also, I just talked to Composer with Super Whisper, so I barely even touch the keyboard. On Wikipedia, you can find a description of vibe coding where it's described as an AI-dependent programming technique where a person describes a problem in a few sentences as a prompt to a large language model tuned for coding. The LLM generates software, shifting the programmer's role from manual coding to guiding, testing, and refining the AI-generated source code. If you don't know who Andrej Karpathy is, it's this guy who was co-founder of OpenAI and formerly AI leader at Tesla. If you want to have a look at AI-assisted coding or this new vibe coding, you could start with, for example, Cursor. This is one IDE which supports coding with LLMs, or you could try, for example, Windsurf by Codeium. I don't know how to pronounce that, but they also offer an IDE which you can connect to LLMs, and you could also use, for example, Aider. Aider was a tool which you can use originally in the terminal, but it does say now you can use it in an IDE as well, or you could use, for example, Aider Composer, which you can integrate with VS Code. And many of these do support different choices of LLMs you can use. Andrej in the X post mentions with Sonnet, so naturally he is referring to Claude 3.7 Sonnet from Anthropic, but you could use one of the OpenAI models, or you could use Gemini 2.5 or one of the other LLMs for this purpose. I think Claude 3.7 Sonnet or the previous 3.5 Sonnet are some of the most popular choices for vibe coding. You can even generate your test cases, and you actually can even start from very vague user requirements and generate code based on those, and can generate the end-to-end test cases and even the user manuals, and try it out. It's really interesting, and the tools are getting better and better, but like some say that even an amateur coder can get stuff done. Well, sure, you can get something done, but I still think you do need to understand what the generated code does when you're deploying something into production, especially in mission critical software. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.